Catatumbo lightning strikes the same spot forever. In Venezuela, the Catatumbo River meets Lake Maracaibo. Here, the geography traps warm, moist air against the Andes Mountains, creating a permanent electrical storm. It generates up to 280 lightning strikes per hour, nearly every single night. For centuries, sailors used this flickering horizon as a natural lighthouse. It is a relentless, rhythmic pulse of energy that never truly sleeps. Drop a like and subscribe for an amazing Earth fact every single day.